So we're in Hanoi right now. This is Tirant Hotel, and it's located in one of the buildings. Its hotel itself is not big, not like a major chain like Marriott or other, like Hilton. And rooms is way smaller, but it's have cool antique vibe, you know, like cool lobby. People are super nice. Interesting hotel, and it's only $67 per night.
Nestled in the historic Old Quarter, the Tirant Hotel offers an elegant blend of Indo-Chinese charm and modern luxury. Just steps from the Hoàn Kiếm Lake, this 4-star gem features chic rooms, a stunning rooftop pool, and the famous Skyline Lounge. With exceptional service and a peaceful atmosphere amidst the city buzz, it's the perfect home base for your Hanoi adventures.
Inside of the Tirant Hotel. It's located in the Old Quarter in Hanoi, in the capital of Vietnam. We're gonna show you the room. This room is the deluxe room, and the price per night is gonna be around $67. So for 5 nights, it's gonna be $336, which includes breakfast, which is like really nice deal. Hotel itself, it's like one of the old, I think, colonial style building from the French colony time, when Vietnam was the French colony. And so room not big by itself. There's no windows. First you get the area where you can put your luggage. There's 2 robes. There is the hair dryer. I think this is priced for the laundry service. There's tea kettle, tea, instant coffee, and the ceramic cups. Right here gonna be mini fridge. Nothing inside. There's safe right here, and there's, I think it's prices for laundry.
So if you want to launder your clothes, have them laundered.
Yeah, you put it in a basket right there. There's also slippers right there, the rubber one. Right here we have TV, medium size, not the newest one, but not bad for $67. This is a king size bed, right? It's look pretty big.
Yeah, it looks like a king size, yeah.
Yeah, some cool sofa, cool antique looking table, 2 complimentary water, and also 2 complimentary young rice cakes. Doesn't have any window. This is like a makeshift window. It's inside of the wall. So you have a feeling that you have a window, but you actually not. I think it's actually going inside because I kind of see the silhouette of the staircase. So it's probably inside of the other room, like a staircase or something. I don't remember the dimension, but there's the hair dryer right there. And right here, it's going to be the bathroom. It's have that glass wall, but not see-through, kind of like the one, but you cannot really see through. It's kind of narrow, but I like it. I like this vibe of the old house, you know, like old colonial style house. Nice, cool looking toilet. It doesn't have that butt warming stuff, but it's have the butt washing hose on the side. This is gonna be towels, extra. This is gonna be shower.
It's a
walk-in standing shower. It's kind of like the rain style shower, not just the hose, but also the waterfall.
You can do both.
Yeah, you can also do waterfall. There's hair conditioner, shower, and shampoo. So yeah, shower gel and shampoo. And right here, it's going to be a sink. Anything there? No, nothing in there. And it's gonna be a soap and vanity kit. Not bad. Not bad.
All right, let me get a better.
Also in this hotels, I have international plug, which is really nice. I don't even need to take off my wall charger with European plugs. This is the complimentary rice cake that came with our room. It's green, soft.
That's the hotel Tirant.
Yeah, super sticky, kind of like the rice flour.
Have like a coconut flavor or anything like that? Or is it
Slight coconut flavor, sticky.
sweet?
Have some stuff inside. Is it like, I think it's like a crispy rice and sweet.
Nice.
It doesn't have much.
Plastic's blocking it. Nice.
It doesn't have much of like distinct flavor. It's just kind of like sweet rice dough with some crispy rice inside. Interesting.
Some of the features you'll find at this hotel include a water refill station in the basement, along with a gym and spa. Located on the 13th floor, the Skyline Lounge is one of the hotel's main attractions. The rooftop bar is open to hotel guests and outside visitors alike, with views that are hard to beat. A dedicated elevator provides direct access for non-guests.
So we at the Skyline rooftop in the Old Quarter. It's the rooftop in our hotel, Tirant Hotel. It's really early in the morning. We just woke up super early. Breakfast starts at 6:30. It's 6:15 now, so we just decided to check out terrace before there's people. And it's nice. You can see it's 13th floor, so it's like really high up. You can see everything around the river, the streets. Old Quarter. Yeah, you can see the high rises far. It's kind of like nice and foggy right now. I think it's one of the season in Vietnam in March when it's kind of rainy and misty. So it's rainy and misty and foggy right now.
Chilly too.
Yeah.
What do you say the temperature is?
It's probably like 70, 60,
No,
65.
Yeah, 65.
Yeah, 65 in the morning.
It's cool. It's like pretty
It's-
chilly actually.
And it's dry, so like you don't feel like super sweaty or anything. You feel like it's actually nice weather to be outside, walk around.
yeah. Okay.
So one level up, it's pool. You just go upstairs from the rooftop Skyline terrace, and right here is the pool. It's not big, but kind of nice. There's a lot of like green, a lot of cool decor elements, like artificial flowers and all that stuff, like real like Vietnamese vibe in there.
This is more of like a plunge pool. It's not like it's not very big.
Yeah, you cannot really swim in here for like full laps. You can just it's more like to chill, sunbathe right here. Yeah, it's like full open terrace, so if weather is good, you can literally sunbathe in here. And I think they probably provide you towels, so there's the clean towel right there and the used towel right there. Yeah, we actually like pretty high up, so
Whoa, this is pretty cool.
yeah, so I would stay in this hotel not just because it's like super affordable, it's also because it's have like super nice terrace. And in general, I like the vibes. I like the decor, like authentic Vietnamese. Nice.
Breakfast was included in our room rate, and it turned out to be a highlight. The buffet had a solid mix of local and Western options, most of it freshly prepared, and the selection changed slightly each day. fruit selection was especially impressive. It was easily some of the freshest fruit we've come across at any hotel buffet. Ripe, well chosen, and a cut above the usual fare. Another highlight was the live egg station. You could watch the chef whip up eggs exactly to your liking. Think fluffy 3-egg omelets with custom fillings, creamy scrambled eggs, or fried eggs, done your way. It adds a nice made-to-order touch to the breakfast spread. Okay, this is our breakfast at the Hotel Tirant. It's included with the room. It's a mixture of both American style, Western style, and Asian style, which is pretty cool. So I got an omelet, a made-to-order omelet they have. They'll make your eggs any way you want them. You don't have to get an omelet. You can get over easy, whatever, sunny side up.
It was actually super quick.
Yeah, it was pretty quick, and they're super friendly too. The guy was like really nice, and when I was filming, he didn't have any problems.
Yeah, people are working here are super nice and thoughtful.
Yep. And then I got an Asian breakfast, and they have like all kinds. I got noodles. There's like some stir fry, vegetable bok choy. This is so far, it's pretty cool. Let me try a little bit though. Rice with pork belly, with the braised pork belly. So good. They even have Vietnamese egg rolls, fried egg rolls.
Yeah, also get one.
I mean, what can I say? Everything is, it's not like super fancy restaurant style, but this is like, for a breakfast, beats anything you have in the US. Again, Asia. First time ever trying Vietnamese coffee, and I'm not a coffee drinker, so this will be a kind of different probably. It's quite light. It's not as thick as like coffee that I'm used to. It's like sweet, almost like has a top coffee taste, but it tastes like chocolate, hot chocolate mixed with coffee.
Yeah, and it's just a coffee with condensed milk.
It's not bad. Perfectly located in the heart of Hanoi's Old Quarter, the Tirant Hotel puts you right in the middle of the action. Step outside and you're just a 2-minute walk from Hoàn Kiếm Lake, the Thang water puppet theater, and the bustling Hanoi Old Quarter market. With countless street food spots, cafes, and historic streets surrounding you, it's the perfect base for exploring the best of Hanoi entirely on foot. at the Sky View. Is it Sky View or
I think it's
Skyline? We're at the Skyline Rooftop Bar in our hotel, and this is like one of the probably the best rooftop bar in Hanoi. And if we happen to be staying in the hotel that it's at. But anyways, we went up here and we are getting a couple of drinks. So I got a this one's called the Misunderstanding. It's like lychee mixed with lime juice and something else. So it's supposed to be pretty good. It was 180,000. The drinks are pretty expensive up here, but it's worth the view. The view up here is really nice, and it's just like nice atmosphere, pretty cool. Yeah, let me try the drink now.
The Vietnamese salt coffee. I think it was 180. Yeah, it's like sweet, strong Robusta with condensed milk, milk foam, and the salty milk foam. So it's like mix of like bitter, sweet, and salty. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay, stop. And start new one. And this is the rice of the village. I need to save it. I'm gonna save it and bring it home.
That's like a hat.
Yeah, like little Vietnamese hat. So it's vodka with pandan syrup and I think lime juice. 260 Vietnamese dong.
That was $260.
Yeah, $10.
I don't even know what
Tastes almost like a straight vodka.
I know, and I know it's like cheap.
Tastes pretty strong.
That first, I think
As always, if you enjoyed this video and found it to be helpful, be sure to hit that like button down below and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you in our next video.